this is the last bend, and if you look all the way down where that little white spot is, that's the entrance. So it's over a mile, maybe a mile and a half, mile and 3/4 to the campground. They do keep it mowed. Right there's another trailhead. And again, it's all grass, it's cut, but that might only be that way because it's winter time. A lot of trees. Looks like maybe one time they did have some water here, but not anymore. And the benches look pretty new. So you got the grill, fire pits. Now most places say you can't take the wood from the trees, but this being so remote, nobody would know. And just to show you what it's looking like, a little bit of bend in the road, but not much at all. Very easy to get to the campsites. And here is another trail. And there's a lot of trails you can walk. Again, all grass, level. You can probably do a bike relatively easy. And that's what we should have done instead of walk this 1.5 miles. And if you notice, we still got a ways to go before we get out. Now we can just take a look and see what's in here. Well, they got a chair. They got 2 chairs. So if you want to fish, and of course there's somebody drinking beer here. See the giant mound? I told my wife it was an Indian burial ground, but I have no idea what it is. Unless it's just to fill up the road if there's potholes. That's a heck of a big mound. And where that sign is the end of the road, so I'm getting there. It's been a long walk, over a mile, probably almost 2 miles, back and forth.